What's up, guys? Hope you guys are doing well today. I'm doing wonderful. Today I just hit, for the first month of February, we just hit 10k on evals. But same thing, I do on eval, I can do unfunded, so it doesn't really matter. But yeah, that's beautiful. Tradeify TPT looking beautiful. I probably need another 2 winning days to pass all the accounts, so that's very nice. Today was beautiful. Price action, speed, and efficiency. Wait, let me get the word. It's a little bit hard in English. Speed and fuck. Okay, let me get it. Wait. Speed and
efficiency.
all right. Efficiency. Interesting. Efficiency. Anyway, you guys get it, right? Let's go on the 1 hour. If you guys didn't check out the short, check out the short. I show my trade. So today, pretty simple. We have London high, Asia high right there. If we go on the 15 minute, this opening gap already got filled. We go on the 1 minute. Market open, let's start here. Market open, we just shoot up straight from London high all the way up to Asia high, right? 9:32, what happened? We sweep Asia high, but I'm still waiting, right? 9:40, I can start building my context. We obviously just kept pushing. We're in a uptrend, a very strong uptrend. Now, my setups are 1 minute for value gap, right? So I'm waiting for macro. Everything's aligned with my context. I'm looking for a bullish for value gap, which I have right there. Now this one I can remove. Why? Well, this one is already valid. 9:40, we retested it multiple times, showing that this is the valid one. Now, like I said, with the word, speed and whatever, that's what I'm looking for, right? So I already know that I'm gonna enter right there. I set up my limit order, and I set up my stop loss 100 for 200 ticks, right? So 25 for 50 points. As I can see, 9:45 instantly we retest our fair value gap, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes later is full TP, right? Stop loss right there. Honestly, it doesn't really matter if I place it here or here. If price is gonna run, it's gonna run to the second one, right? And by then the whole idea, I have to to rethink it, right? So anyway, 9:45 I'm in, bang, 1 to 2, beautiful trades. Just, these trades where quickly you either hit stop loss or hit TP, that's what I'm looking for. So to start February, beautiful, right? So yeah, that's basically it. Today we had news at 2. No, not at 2. We had news at 10, sorry. And honestly, what time is it? It's already 10:21 a.m. The day is finished. And that's it. Hopefully the whole February is like that, so I can start printing, right? So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.